What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. 2Bit Crypto here, and it's time for your XRP update. We've got some pretty big news coming for this coin, particularly from the CTO. What is he talking about? As well as a big move that looks like it's looming on XRP, and a little snippet into the XRPL. If that's what you're interested in, you want to see more content about XRP, well, you've come to the right place. Do me a favor though, smash that like button and subscribe. We're on the way to 20k for Christmas. With that being said, let's take a look at the cryptocurrency market. Now, remember, I always say Saturdays tend to be a little bit quieter than Sundays, and we actually got a pretty decent move up in the market. Now, you might be saying, hold on a minute, 2Bit, I'm looking at it, it's all red. You would be correct in that statement, but remember, it's a rolling 24 hours that it kind of comes on. So 36,550 is the price of Bitcoin. Now, total market cap at 1.38 trillion. So still a significantly solid market cap. When we talk XRP, still the fifth highest ranked cryptocurrency. We did just flip into the fourth a few months back, but still sitting there at the fifth, down about 47% on volume, and currently trading around the 61 cent mark. So 1% up on market cap, which tells you there is definitely a little bit more movement coming. So what have we got coming out? Well, we'll go straight to this article. This is important. David Schwarz, the CTO of Ripple, talking about XRPL. Now, for context here, I have talked about the XRP ledger being just a huge financial asset to XRP, and what will be used, in my opinion, for all of those big financial institutions. And you know, David Schwarz is exactly in the same place. It says David Schwarz has revealed that the XRP ledger is moving towards real-world asset tokenization, a scene pursued by prominent firms such as JP Morgan and Bank of America. Now, we do know that in the past, Bank of America and Ripple have partnered up on a number of things, not to do their kind of financial transactions or not to kind of support their investors, but just a dip their toe in the ocean. Well, Schwarz made these remarks while discussing the journey of the XRPL. In a recent interview, he expressed his satisfaction with the fact that the technology behind the XRP ledger is getting more attention these days. Instead of an all-in obsession with XRP, it's a gas token. Now, remember, this is all about the automated market maker that we have. Opens up a totally new realm for XRPL. It provides liquidity. It provides a ton of different things. And I think this is where this real-world tokenization, we already saw it in that partnership with the real estate sector that XRP did as well. He goes on to say that the attention on XRPL's unique nature of its early stage of blockchain adoption, noting that the network was the first layer 1 blockchain not built from the Bitcoin technology during the 2011-2012 period. So a standalone, totally unique XRPL ledger. Bear in mind, again, it's going to be used, I think, by financial institutions. They already are testing that movement of liquidity, how big they can move it, particularly when it's come out of escrow, as well as a number of other things. So I think it's very important to think about that. And again, the Ripple CTO there, David Schwarz, coming out and giving us his view. But that is not all. We also see this. Ripple's XRP whales bank on a massive bull run as historic price eruption to $1 beckons. Now, it is a proper meme to talk about, you know, XRP to $1, Shiba Inu to $1, Luna Classic to $1. But the reality here is XRP is not that far away. We actually hit 93 cents on the back of that win against the SEC. But what's this? Well, it says whales buy the XRP price dip. It says Ali Martinez, a well-known crypto analyst, recently shared his thoughts on the price performance of Ripple XRP on the social media platform X. Martinez points out the price of XRP has plummeted 18% over the last 10 days. Notably, whale wallets have raised their net holdings during the same period. Remember, we always say this, whenever the market is fearful, be greedy. Never a true word has been said. We know, everyone knows, that if you're invested in XRP, this is going to see a significant price rise. It just is. The reality here is, obviously, we've got to get through the court case, but even that is certainly weighing in the favor of XRP. It says, after reaching a local peak in July following Ripple's major legal win against the Securities and Exchange Commission, XRP has struggled to mount a full-blown upsurge. The surge in whale activity alongside the price slide indicates strong buying sentiment. I don't know about you, but certainly when I see a dip on XRP, it dipped, I think, 58 cents the other day. Couldn't help myself, picked up a little bit more. I truly believe that this is going to be one of those coins that you are going to regret not getting. Obviously not financial advice, do your own research, but I truly do believe that. And finally, what could trigger it? And that's the important part. Obviously, we have prevailing market conditions, which ultimately means the market is slightly more bullish than we've seen, albeit we have had a couple of attempts from the bears to pull us back down. But it says the analyst highlighted a noteworthy development in the XRP market with more than $100 million worth of open interest added during a market spike. Notably, the surge in open interest coincided with reports surrounding the fake BlackRock exchange traded fund. Ultimately, though, and I talked about this in my previous video, there is an indicator here. There is a point that people are sat on the sidelines. Institutions are waiting to get in. Massive money is literally waiting to flow aggressively into XRP. And you could argue the same for Bitcoin and Ethereum with both of those ETFs as well. So again, it just highlights what is on the sidelines and potentially what is going to be flowing into the market. CryptoCoin UK emphasized the importance of breaking above the descending trend line, indicating that such a move could trigger an aggressive upward momentum for XRP. And we have seen that a number of times on the chart itself. We'll take a look here on the XRP chart. Like I said, it is at the 61 range. We talked about this yesterday, but this is that upward trend. We're currently hovering around that 200 EMA that we have been on for so long. We want to see a break above that right now, but equally there is that trend line we want to see it. We're on the 4-hour chart. So again, a push up here for XRP back onto this upward trend line. There was the reversal signal that pushes us down. We want to see that upward trend bouncing off the 200 as these start to come down. Now, in the long term, we want to see this short time frame EMA flip to the upside, as well as the yellow line, which is the 50-day EMA, and that should get us back on this track. Now, it's all going to depend on what Big Daddy Bitcoin does. At the minute, it looks like we might be heading down. Again, remember, those Sundays tend to be much better than Saturdays, and Saturdays haven't been a bad day at all. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. How bullish are you on XRP? If you're super bullish on XRP, let me see that X down there in the comments. It does really support the channel. It knows and helps me know that you want more content like this. And like I said, subscribe to the channel, smash a like on it if you're in the XRP army. And with that being said, I am out of here to buy some more XRP. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.